Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be creating an Eras Tour coffee table book, and I love little keepsakes and I absolutely love photos, so we're going to create one together. I have this one from the Chicago Eras Tour. I went to night 1 and night 3. And I created this little book on Shutterfly. This is, I believe, an 8x8. It is so cute. Obviously, I didn't take that photo or the back, but I filled it in with all of my photos from the shows, and I just love how this looks. And we are going to make one for the indie tour that I went to. Obviously, I'm going to be adding the Tortured Poets department set and all her new outfits. My goal is to be using all the photos that I took myself. The only issue is a lot of them are really blurry. I never take good concert photos, so we have a lot of photos to go through, and we're gonna use Shutterfly today. Again, because one, it will match exactly like this one, and two, they're having a huge sale. This is not sponsored, but they're having a huge sale, and sales always get me. So let's go onto my computer and get started. All right, we're gonna start creating the book on Shutterfly because, again, I want these two books to be very cohesive. As you can see, there are a ton of deals going on. I'm not going to post this video until I get the physical book in because I want to show you guys, but they do always have deals year round, so make sure to keep an eye out. We're going to go to photo books, and then again 8x8 photo books. And I like to just start from scratch, create my own, because I like to use my own templates and reorder stuff. As you can see, it's $26.24, and I think you get an extra 25% off, which is awesome. Book size 8x8 and hardcover glossy. We're gonna make it manually, and now we can add our photos in. I have an album already created, so we're going to go to that folder, select that folder and hit upload, and we're gonna upload all of our photos. I don't know why one of them is HEIC, but they all should be JPEGs or PNGs. We're going to add that and let them go onto the site. And again, we're going to keep the front cover cohesive. So we're going to use the same fonts and picture styles. So we're going to do, no, I'd like to place them myself. And now we have a blank book to work with. So this is the front cover that I use, and then the back cover was just a photo. I have a ton of photos that I want to use potentially for the front and back cover. I want to do Tortured Poets Department and Folklore. I did not obviously take these photos because I want them to be high quality and good photos, and I do not have those. So I think I want Folklore on the front. So we're just going to kind of play around with that. I don't love that one. We're just going to play around with it. And sometimes Shutterfly is really nice because you just drag and drop things where you want them, and then you can adjust the crop. Don't think I like that either. Okay, this is my last one that I have. Okay, my Shutterfly finally finished freaking out. This is the last Folklore photo that I had saved, and I think I like that. We're gonna go with it for now. For the back, I want Tortured Poets Department. And I have some of these really pretty silhouettes from Down Bad. I like that one, but maybe I want it more, so, ooh, that looks super cool. And then one more option. She's a little too cut off, so we're gonna do this one for now. Again, you can change literally anything whenever you want before you send it to the printer. So now we're going to do the same text, and I looked up the font that I used. So we're gonna do the Eras Tour 2024, and then on the bottom we're going to do Indianapolis, and then 11/2 as a date, and I think it was 28. And then just the same font that I used, and that looks great. Next page is the kind of like front cover. This one I have the French basis. I think that's super pretty, but I did not take any photos like that this time. So I think I'm just gonna do like a stage photo. I think I have a good one. I think that one will work. We'll zoom it in a little bit just so you can see more of the stage. Now we're getting into adding all my photos and kind of adjusting the layouts. I have a ton of pre-show photos that I want to include, so I want to make sure that I get all of them the way I want them. So for this one, I think we're gonna do this layout, and then I think we can do like maybe this layout, this one, this one. They're like all just slightly different. Okay, maybe we'll go with this one. All right, and now I'm going to add my photos in. I want that photo. I want one with my outfit for sure. Crop that a little bit. And then I sat in seat 13, so I gotta commemorate that. And now we have my many selfies. We'll do that one. That photo looks good. Perfect. And then maybe another like stage photo would be nice. And then one of me inside with my full outfit. Don't love that photo. Cute. And then again, we're just gonna zoom in, crop it a little bit, move it around, and that looks perfect. Moving on. I did not take a ton of photos of Gracie's set. Her set was incredible, but I don't have a ton of like good quality photos. So we're gonna do our best. I think we're just gonna do like 2 photos for each page maybe. Off we have this, and again, doing my little cropping thing. And I guess we'll do this one. Zoom in a little bit so you can actually see her. And then the other 3 photos that I have, which are like the only ones that I have, can go like this. Oh no! Undo. Alright, so now that Gracie photos are in, they look pretty good for what I had. We're gonna do the next page, and then I'm just gonna like zip through the rest of the eras. I want a 2-page spread for this. I think it'll look really pretty. 2-picture spread. Something like that could be cool with the clock. So I have a photo of the clock when it just starts and one of the 13 seconds. Maybe we'll do 13 seconds because that's on brand. And then we'll do this for the opening. It is a little blurry, but I think it'll look good because it's very colorful. So that's what we have so far. Again, I'm just gonna zip through the rest of them and add them in error order. So I will see you in a bit. It's about 30 minutes later, and I think I finally have it the way I want the book to look. We're gonna do a quick little flip through for you. I think it looks super cute. Some of the photos I wanted to use, I couldn't use because they just like weren't good enough quality. Obviously that's my mistake because again, I don't take very good concert photos. But I'm gonna look through this probably like 6 or 7 more times to make sure this is the way I want it. And we're going to send it off to the printer, and I will see you back hopefully in like a week or so with the final book. It has been ordered and it's on the way. Okay guys, I got my Shutterfly package and I'm so excited. Good things come in orange packages. And here is the book. Got a little Shutterfly card, but it's in this little plastic wrap, so we're gonna take it out. had to change my camera angle, but this is what it looks like. The front cover looks so good and I'm so happy I chose this as the back cover photo. This is gorgeous, so we're going to open it. It looks so good, and of course my photos are a little grainy, but again, this book is made of everything that I physically took, so that looks really good. And let's open to a full page one. I'll give you guys a full flip through. This is an example of like a full page, I guess not a full page, let's see. I mean, come on. That is so incredible and it looks so good. I'm so excited. So let me do a full flip through for you guys, and we'll go from there. All right, so here's the book and we're going to open it. The stage is the first page, which I really love. Then we get into the pre-show photos. We have Gracie. Then the start of the show, and starting off strong with the lover era. I love some of these photos, and this one is just perfection. Moving on to the fearless era, and you can tell which eras I like just didn't take a lot of photos in, but this is the red era. Speak Now era. Reputation, the Folklore Evermore era. This is one of my absolute favorite pages. I love this so much. 1989. And then the Tortured Poets Department has a couple of pages because I've never seen that set and it was just so much fun. So I have 2 pages for that. Moving on to the surprise songs, I do not have very good photos, but I want to include those. Then we have Midnight's, and of course, Midnight's Karma. And that's it.